If you're already paying for a QuickBooks license now, again, we can offer you that discounted rate, but there's an extra step you need to do. So if you're already having a QuickBooks license, follow these easy steps. All I'm going to do is I'm going to jump into the QuickBooks license here, and I'm going to go to Company Cog. Now this is me with my own QuickBooks license, but I want to transfer it over to the Boffix subscription model. So I'm going to go in and I'm going to go to Manage Users, and from Manage Users I'm going to go Accounting Firms here, and I'm going to put your accounts in at boffix.com. I'm going to press Invite. Now what that's going to do is that's going to give permission for Boffix to take over your license for you, hence why we can offer you the discounted subscription. Now there's one more step I need you to complete. Head over to the Company Cog in the top right hand corner. From there you're going to go to Accounts and Settings. From there you're going to go Billing and Subscription, and from there you're going to use Allow Billing Transfer to your accountant. Click on this button and allow transfer to. Now once we've accepted your invite, so you've got to wait for us to accept your invite, you can then allow transfer, and that will give us the opportunity to take over your license. And then we can then start giving you that discounted rate. So as soon as Boffix has accepted the invite, you'll notice it'll go from resend invite to accepted. And you'll also get a confirmation through the email. But if I then ask you to go Accounts and Settings one more time, go to Billing and Subscription, allow billing transfer to my accountant, Team Boffix, valid for 2 days, and allow transfer. Now you've given us permission, we will take over the transfer. And notice at the moment I've got my payment card up here. And once the transfer is finally complete, you'll know we've got control of it, because we go to Company Cog, Accounts and Settings, Billing and Subscription, and it says your accountant, Team Boffix, has your answer for you. Email your accountant for any queries, and from there you can email us if needed.